In 1869, just a few years after Kate Shepherd's dad died, her and her mother moved to New Zealand. At the Women's Christian Temperance Union, she was talking about why women weren't allowed to vote. After thinking it through, she made a bill to Parliament. All the men said no. On the 19th of September, the bill became a law. Most of the country celebrated. Other countries like Britain, Australia, USA, and elsewhere celebrated too. On the 13th of July 1934, she died. We remember her at elections, parliament, schools, and restaurants.